The latest details now on the owner of this Etna warehouse. That was the scene of a 7-alarm fire earlier this month. It says fire alarms were not installed in that building. Well, he spoke to Channel 11's Michelle Newell tonight, who has that story.
It's been nearly 2 weeks since firefighters worked tirelessly to get this 7-alarm fire out.
Not only did they help save our building, but a lot of people's property that we thought would have been completely destroyed was saved.
The owner of Store Express, Steve Mitnick, told Channel 11 that out of the more than 100 cars stored here, they drove about 35 of them out of the building.
A total loss, probably 10% of the cars. And you know, you gotta thank the firemen and what they did to be able to control that fire. They really did a great job.
This business also housed several businesses. One owner Channel 11 spoke to was very emotional, and tonight he is still in shock. He tells Channel 11 he hasn't been able to work since because his stuff is inside the building. Mitnick told us his team is still working to make sure the building is safe. Once it is, those business owners can go in and see what they can salvage. There were a lot of questions about sprinklers and fire alarms the night of the fire. Channel 11 learned tonight from the owner the contractor had not finished installing the fire alarms.
You told me on the phone that you talked to the contractor and the alarms weren't installed.
There was a failure for everything to be completed, and they're investigating to find out exactly what happened.
When this fire happened, the fire chief told Channel 11 initial 911 calls reported someone was working on their motorcycle inside the building when this fire happened and the fire started, but an official cause of this fire has yet to be released. Once it is, we will let you know. Reporting live from Etna, I'm Michelle Newell for Channel 11 News.